Welcome back, students. Ready with your GK books?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we are going to do is we are going to revise the syllabus for the UT. So everyone, each one of you, open this thing, Unit India.
I'm opened. I'm open.
Children, can I ask you questions? Let's see how many of you can answer. Have you learnt it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember this chapter or you need 5 minutes to revise this unit, India?
Ma'am, we have. मैं चोट लगेगी जाओ.
All of you remember?
Ma'am, we have to write in the chat box.
Okay, you will write the answers in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me see who answers first. All right, be ready. The first question is first Deputy Prime Minister of India.
Ma'am, what?
First Deputy Prime Minister of India. I have started getting the answers. I will declare in the end who was the first one to answer.
कहाँ रखा था ये मंदिर में?
Mom, I have joined it now, so can you tell me what you are doing?
Let's wait for 30 more seconds so that everyone may join because I can't see all the students present. Okay, and then we are going to start this quiz.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, we are doing GK and I'm taking just a light quiz, fun quiz kind of a competition wherein you are supposed to type the answer in the chat box. Nobody is going to give answer on this thing through the mic.
Okay, ma'am.
And then later I'm going to declare who was the first one to answer. So my first question was first Deputy Prime Minister of India.
And the spelling should be also correct.
Yes, the spelling should also be correct.
Ma'am, please tell the question again.
First Deputy Prime Minister of India. Where are these answers? Anshuman, you have sent me the PDF. Thank you so much. But beta, answers that you have sent, I can't read those answers. Except for Kiran Bedi and Mihir, I can't read anything else in the chapter India. Just send me the image of this page once again, children. The image of answers. Okay, so the first one to answer this question was Anshuman Gangwar, Vallabh Bhai Patel. Is it Vallabh Bhai or is it Vallabh Bhai?
Ma'am, but the spelling was wrong of Anshuman.
Okay, so the spelling is correct.
No, ma'am.
Let me see the spelling. Vallabh Bhai. No, Utsav, the spelling is correct, beta. It is given in the book also. The same spelling is given in the book. Vallabh Bhai Patel. So Anshuman is the first one to give the answer. So he gets 1 point. Now let's see who gets another point for next question. The next question is first Indian to swim across English Channel.
यार आंसर या पहले समझ आंसर संतोष यादव तो गलत है आंसर नहीं सही पर अच्छा मैंने पहले किया। ये वाला तो स्लो ये क्या है करने क्या से शुरू कहा जाकर
Who was the first one, children, to answer this question? Let me know. Because you were the first one, because I can see answers only from Lakshita, Iram Naz, and Varin Goyal. Rest,
I was the first.
my chat box has become empty. Earlier, there were answers from all of you.
Ma'am, I have also answered.
Yes.
The first one to answer was Utsav.
Utsav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Yes, the first one to answer was Utsav. Utsav Gangwar, then Anshuman, then Jayesh. So 1 point goes to Utsav. The next question is first Indian to get a pilot license. First Indian to get a pilot license. Saif and Kushal, put yourselves on mute.
Many girls are there in our class. Ma'am, on which page number we are doing? Ma'am, now I have
Why do you want to know the page number?
yes,
You see from the book and write.
No, ma'am. I don't know the page number.
We are on page number 36.
Okay, ma'am.
Now who has typed this? 11 new messages. So it was
And the first is Jayesh.
Jayesh. Yes, 1 point to Jayesh. Now children, you have to remember your points.
Then 1 point I, 1 point Utsav, and 1 point Jayesh.
Yes. Then the next one is the next question. First Indian scientist to receive the Bharat Ratna. The first one is Utsav to answer. The correct answer is C.V. Raman. Now Utsav is on 2 points. Very good. First Indian woman to become Miss World. Very nice. Now this time it is Akshat Pratap Singh. But beta, spellings are not correct. Akshat, the spellings are wrong. And Anshuman Gangwar, your spellings are also wrong. So let me see the correct answer. It's Reta Faria. Reta. Who has given the correct answer? It's no, not Lakshita also. Reta. Kushagra Agarwal is the first one. Yes, Kushag. Kushag gets 1 point. Now, children, do you understand the value of writing the correct spellings? Learning the correct spellings. See. Iram, I can't hear you. Your microphone is not working. Now try to speak. The next question is, first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest twice. Santosh Yadav is the correct answer. Answer is given by Anshuman Gangwar. So Anshuman Gangwar, how many points do you have? 2 points. Children, why are your videos off, by the way? Can I please know? What makes you put your cameras off?
My camera is on.
Dev, Arya, Akshat, Pratap, Ashvik, Agrim, Gunagya, Lakshita, Kushag. What is wrong? Everybody put your cameras on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when I open my chat box, then my camera on automatically.
Okay,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
camera is off. All right, let me know if there is anybody else present in the class. Iramnas, Utsav, Jayesh, Apurva Thakur, Anshuman, Saif Ali, Akshat Pratap, Dev Arya, Lakshita, Kushag, Varun Goyal, Ashvik, Gunagya, Prasun, and Agrim. I have taken everyone's name. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
the next question is, first Indian woman to reach the final of an Olympic event. Very good. So quick, Utsav, Akshat, Lakshita. That's really quick. So the winner is Utsav. Utsav is on 3 points. Children, buck up. Then let's...
I get 3 marks.
Yes, very nice. You got 3 marks. Now let's move on to the next one. Festivals of India, right? Let's talk about the festivals of India. Everybody close your books. This would be cheating if you open your books. Now,
And my book is closed.
Now till I'm asking
And
you
my
the
book is
question, then you can keep your cameras on. Or you want to open the chat box so that you can type it fast.
Ma'am, I do not have my book. Ma'am, my book is on my tuition teacher.
Okay.
I have pages like this.
All right, beta. Now your question is, Navratri is celebrated for dash consecutive nights and nights with song and dance. Navratri is celebrated for dash consecutive nights. So the correct answer comes from all of you, but Apurva Thakur is the first one to give the answer. Apurva Thakur? Oh, Utsav. No, who is it? It's Apurva Thakur. Yes. Apurva,
Yes,
you get
ma'am.
1 point.
Okay, ma'am.
Then dash commemorates the day when Jesus Christ was crucified.
Ma'am, what's mean crucified?
Crucified is children, I think. Let me see. I have a doubt what crucified is. Cruci. Okay, it is, yeah, it is put to death by nailing somebody. Jesus Christ, we all know, was nailed, right? So that is crucified. Put someone to death by nailing or binding them to a cross, especially as an ancient punishment. It is a term, crucified is a term which is used for ancient punishment. So who is the first one to answer? Again, Utsav Gangwar. Too quick, Utsav, huh? You can become a typist when you grow.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am from keyboard.
Yes, you're typing it from the keyboard. Very good. The next question is, dash marks the martyrdom of Hazrat Imam Hussain, Prophet Muhammad's grandson. Dash marks the martyrdom. Muharram. Who is it? Prasun Gangwar. Yes, Prasun gets 1 point for it. Very nice. Then, dash is celebrated in April or May, commemorates the birth anniversary of the famous son of Mahamaya. Prasun Gangwar once again. Prasun, very nice. Suddenly some magic has appeared in your fingers, huh? Started typing so fast. Okay. Then the next one. Vinayak Chaturthi is held in the honor of Lord. The answer again comes from Prasun Gangwar, Lord Ganesha. Prasun, what has happened to your fingers? Huh?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, that's great. So you're on 3 points now. And Utsav is also on 3 points. Anshuman is on 2 points.
Ma'am, I am of 4 points.
You're on 4 points. So
Yes,
there is a
ma'am.
very close competitor that you have now. That's Prasun
Yes,
Gangwar. Now let's see.
Ma'am, I am a typist. Ma'am, your audio is on. Ma'am, off.
Okay. What if I ask the question from the next chapter now? Can I ask it?
Ma'am.
Yes. All right. Coming on to the next chapter. You just listen to the question very carefully. We celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna and children enact his childhood activities. Which festival am I talking about? Yes. Jayesh is the one. No, it's Prasun Gangwar once again. My God. Prasun Gangwar. Now he has suddenly, got some magical powers from the universe. Okay, so now Utsav and Prasun Gangwar. Let's see who answers the next point. Okay. You have to name the instrument the following players play. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma.
Yes.
इस बार फिर पीछे रह गया यार, क्या
So
हो रहा
now
है?
it's Apurva Thakur. Apurva Thakur, you are the one to answer. Beta, how many points are you on? 2 points? Huh?
Ma'am, I was the first, but I am that time.
You were the first.
I have 2 points.
You were the first, Utsav? No.
No, ma'am, I was the first, but Prasoon and I on the 4 points only.
Okay. Oh, okay, right. Now Apurva took the lead here. Then the next. Which instrument does Zakir Hussain play? Jayesh is the one to answer. Yes.
No, ma'am, Prasoon.
No, ma'am, Jayesh.
Beta, it's Jayesh. See, he's the first one to give the answer. It's Jayesh.
Yes, ma'am. Jayesh is the first one.
Now, Jayesh, you are on 2 points. Jayesh is on how many points? 2 points or 3 points?
And 2.
2. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Which instrument does Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt play?
Yes. Yay.
Is it flute?
Ma'am.
The correct answer is Mohan Veena.
Ma'am, I give the first.
Yes, it's Utsav. Now, the next question is, which instrument does Ustad Amjad Ali Khan play?
Ma'am, which instrument?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Which instrument does Ustad Amjad Ali Khan play?
Ma'am, I have sinned.
It's Akshat Pratap Singh. Akshat, you get for 1 point. Beta, the correct answer is not Shenai, it's Sarud. I don't know which. Have you seen this instrument?
No, ma'am.
Sarud. Even I haven't. We will Google it today. What instrument it is. Then the next one. Listen to the question very carefully. Rangoli, Bhogali and Kangali are types of which dance? Oh, Akshat Pratap Singh, very smart, very nice. Bihu.
Ma'am, but
Yes.
ma'am, but the spelling is V-I-H-U.
Yes. So Akshat Pratap has also answered Bihu. Bihu. Which instrument does Pandit U. Srinivas play? Now it's Prasun Gangwar once again. So
Ma'am, 5 points.
both are on 5 points each. Which instrument does Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia play?
Ma'am, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Which instrument Pandit Hari
Children,
Prasad Chaurasia?
why did you start typing mandolin? Did I ask you the answer? Acha, that was for Pandit U. Srinivas. Now the next was Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. So it was Prasoon Gangwar once again.
After Prasoon, I have sent.
Yes, after Prasoon, you have sent. Then anything left from this chapter? Okay. Coming on to the next chapter. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister since independence. Rajiv Gandhi or Morarji Desai? Prasoon Gangwar.
Ma'am, I am on 7 points.
Yes? Prasoon
Ma'am, the
Gangwar
spelling
was
of
the first
Prasoon is,
one.
ma'am, Prasoon spelling is wrong.
Yes, it's Morarji. It's not Morarji Desai.
So, ma'am, I am the first.
Okay, you Morarji. Now your spellings are also wrong, Utsav. It's not Moraji. Let me see. It's Anshuman Gangwar. It's Anshuman Gangwar to answer. His answer is correct. He is the first one to give the correct answer. Now, Prasoon, you're on how many points?
Ma'am, I am on 6 points.
And Utsav, you're on 5 points.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see the next one. He has been the youngest prime minister so far. Rajiv Gandhi or Atal Bihari Vajpayee? It's Prasoon Gangwar ready with the answer. Rajiv Gandhi. Prasoon, you are doing some magic, I am sure.
Ma'am, I think he is doing. Ma'am, the answer is to, ma'am, see, he speak and the answer come.
Yes.
He enter.
Yes, that is what I am thinking. That he is speaking the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Ma'am, now I am.
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
You knew that I would be asking this question? Utsav?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very bad. Okay. The next one. He was the governor of Reserve Bank of India. Prasoon Gangwar, Manmohan Singh. Very nice. Okay, the next question.
Ma'am, I have given the answer.
He was the first ever prime minister from southern India.
Ma'am, Southern India.
Yes, southern India. Oh, it's Utsav Gangwar. PV Narasimha Rao.
And now I am also at 7 and Prasoon also.
Utsav Gangwar, do you think your spellings are correct, beta? Tell me. Are your spellings correct?
Yes, ma'am.
No. It's
No, ma'am.
Narsimha. You have typed Narsimha. So you lose 1 point because of the rule made by you. Yes, so again, Prasoon Gangwar. Narasimha. Again, let me check the spelling. Is it Narasimha? PV Narasimha.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I Kushagar Agarwal.
No, beta, Prasun's spelling are correct. PV Narasimha Rao. PV Narasimha Rao. Yes, Narasimha Rao. Correct. Now I think we should take out Utsav and Prasun from the game. And I should give others the chance to come. Okay?
And why?
Why?
Beta, others are not getting the chance. You only two are taking the lead. Others are feeling demotivated. Isn't it, children? Are you feeling demotivated?
Ma'am, but the competition is so
Yes,
big.
ma'am.
See, others have stopped answering only because you two are just answering in such a high speed. I don't know where is your speed coming from. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot
PC
write
versus
much
mobile.
speed because, ma'am, I am using my keyboard. Ma'am, if I use my phone, I write very fast.
Ma'am, PC versus phone.
PC. Who all are using the PC? Utsav is see? Saif, Utsav is also using PC. And Jayesh, you are also using a computer?
Ma'am, I am not using mobile. Ma'am, I am using computer.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is easy to write with a computer, ma'am, but it is tough to write with the laptop.
Ma'am, it is easier writing on the laptop. Ma'am, PC.
No.
Ma'am, it is very
Ma'am, it is tough to write on laptop.
difficult to write with phone.
Ma'am, we
phone.
have to take little practice.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is
I'm not practiced.
phone. Ma'am, phone is
Okay.
very hard.
Ma'am,
Now,
I
okay,
know
all right.
all the answers, but my writing speed is low on the computer.
All right. So now we are not going to type. Let the class be a little noisy. Let there be a little chaos in the class. And everybody will speak the answer. Now let me see who speaks it first. So all of you unmute yourself.
I'm unmuted.
Yes.
When now I am ready.
Yes. Now children will get turn who could not type. He was the first ever prime minister from southern India.
PV Narasimha Rao.
You will be quiet if I show you my hand. Okay. Next. She was the only woman prime minister.
Indira Gandhi.
Good. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Bahadur Shastri.
Children, those children whose videos are off, you are totally out of the scene because I can't really figure out who is speaking first. So when your video is off, the others will get the benefit. You want to be in the competition, put your videos on.
Ma'am, I think it not.
Yes, Anshuman, what are you saying?
No, ma'am, not saying anything.
All right, it is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
Ma'am, Silvassa.
Silvassa.
Very nice, very good. It is the capital of 2 states of India.
Chandigarh.
Very good. Name the largest state in terms of area.
Rajasthan.
Very nice. Which is the southernmost part of India?
Indira Point.
Very good. Which is the most populous state?
Uttar
Uttar Pradesh. Name the smallest state in terms of area.
Goa.
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 The highest motorable road is located in which state?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Name the state with the least population.
Sikkim.
Ma'am, Sikkim.
Sikkim.
The official language of Brazil is also spoken in Daman and Diu.
Portuguese.
Portuguese. Portuguese. It is often described as the window of French culture.
Ma'am, don't know.
Ma'am, don't know.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, I thought they are searching on Google.
Hmm.
Ma'am, they are searching on Google.
Wait.
Can I search because they...
It is often described as the window of French culture. What is often described, children?
Puducherry.
Puducherry. Is it Puducherry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Window
Yes.
of French culture. Yes. Pondicherry. It was earlier Pondicherry, now named as Puducherry. It is the French province of India.
Ma'am, I am answering the first.
Okay.
I'm also answering
The famous
I'm also
jail.
answering.
The famous jail located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Cellular jail.
Cellular jail.
What is it?
Cellular jail.
Cellular jail.
Okay, cellular jail.
jail.
Very nice. The only active volcano in India is located in which union territory?
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Name the largest northeastern state in terms of area.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh. Very good. In 1994, he was named the best parliamentarian of India.
Ma'am, Morarji
Atal
Desai.
Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
No, it's
Ma'am,
VP
ma'am,
Singh.
Morarji Desai.
Is it not VP
Ma'am,
Singh?
Ma'am, Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Not VP Singh. Just find
Ma'am,
out and
Atal
tell
Bihari
me.
Vajpayee.
Children, just
Atal
find out.
Bihari Vajpayee.
Sure.
Ma'am, it's yes, ma'am. Sure. It's Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Because I don't have the book, beta, I'm not sure.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am sure.
Ma'am, it's VP Singh.
Ma'am, AB Singh.
Ma'am, VP Singh.
Ma'am,
Atal Bihari Vajpayee, ma'am. Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Ma'am, VP Singh.
Ma'am, Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Ma'am, Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Ma'am, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Ma'am, Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Beta, it's Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It's not VP Singh. The correct answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Ma'am, can you tell who is the winner? Because time is over. Only 1 minute is.
You all are winners in my eyes.
Ma'am, who got the most points? I am asking this.
Okay, the one who has got the most points. I think that's you only. Is it Prasoon or is it Utsav?
Ma'am,
You are
I am
the second.
the.
Ma'am, I. 8
Ma'am,
points I got.
I gave all the answers firstly.
Who was it?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Kushag Agarwal.
Sushant Agarwal.